It's amazing flying Amy. So we're gonna pull the steering box again. Decided to do it over here at the shop. Nick and I went over, took the power steering belt off so I could drive it over here because it's just around the corner. Yeah. So we're gonna pull the steering box. We're gonna replace it, and hopefully the warranty replacement doesn't do what this one did. Which you can go back and watch the video before this if you don't remember. Yay! So I already got the bracket loose here for the brake line. I already got all 3 box bolts loose, 2 of them out. I was just kind of holding it in there. Nick's gonna go pull that nut.
Oh, you want to have me a wrench?
Yes, sir.
A wench?
Get you a wrench.
Give me a wench.
Pop that apart, and then we will pull the box out. Gotta pull the lines too, but easy peasy. Pull the lines from the pump. It's easier.
Oh yeah.
Oh yeah. All right. Got our lines off up here. I just undid our coupler down there. This is so much easier on the lift.
Oh, I bet.
I mean, I've done it on the floor at Tom's, but it was really dirty, the old one. Anyway, you can go back to the video. That was the one where I looked like I had eyeliner, remember?
Oh, yeah.
That was a little bit ago.
We're like, dude, did you go to one? Never mind.
Yeah, so let's go back up and let's see what we got.
Get him, Scotty.
Don't get me, Scotty.
Does this look like a face that needs to no. Oh, don't tempt me. You couldn't handle me, boy.
No, I wouldn't want to. Let's go up, sir. Please, Mr. Burns. Thank you.
I was trying to have a good conversation with my
What's
coworker.
What's that?
We were talking about work.
This is the shifter, I'm sorry, the accelerator assembly from the Corvair Ultravan.
Oh, okay, we'll mess with
Because
that.
we had to pull this to get the engine cover off.
Nice, we'll mess with that later.
It's already been done.
Okay, well, watch out. We're gonna lift
I'm
up.
not in any...
We're lifting up
Do I
car
look
here.
like I'm in the way of this car?
No, maybe.
Didn't think so. Good. Go back to work.
Are you in the way? Yes.
I'm always in
no.
the way.
I got hit by a bumper.
It's okay.
That's it. Compensation.
You know how to go over the fridge and get a beverage? It's fine.
What about a beverage?
What?
Huh? I'm tired.
I heard a beverage. Who's bartending?
You're the bartender.
Oh, you don't want me bartending. We already know I make a stiff drink.
Something.
But I'm pumped.
I was trying to leave you alone. I picked on you enough this morning. I was on a roll this morning. My bad, sorry.
Alright. So, we should be able to just pull the box right out. Here's our brand new defective box that we just pulled out. Not a towel. You're a towel. Scotty's a towel.
Only half.
Oh, haha, funny.
Damn.
So, he's going to pull these lines out. And then we're going to pull the fitment arm off. And we're going to get the new box out, which is in that cardboard box over there. Fun. Burns.
Sir?
There you are. Make sure the box is centered.
Should be.
Cheers.
Usually that's how they send them.
Yeah.
Usually.
Because you used to work at the steering place.
Mm-hmm.
That's the right way. Yeah.
I hope so.
There we go. Alright. Putting the new fitment arm on the replacement. There it is.
That's on.
That's on. Put our lines on. That one goes back to Lares as a defect. And we still have our original core we haven't sent in yet because we're dealing with that. Fun, fun, boys and girls. Waiting for it.
Stay.
Yes, that's a great chop. All right. Oh, yeah. Hi, Scotty. Are you done for the day?
I'm done.
Go
What?
rest. I'll see you
leaving me?
mañana.
Can't leave me.
Oh, I ordered markers. Just for you.
Excuse me?
And you, because you complained too.
Gosh. You hear this, Scotty?
Yeah, the only way to get anything done in this place is to complain about it long enough that sooner or later, you know, the squeakiest wheel gets the most grease.
Cammy a flathead.
I don't know if that's squeaky that you're lubing, but anyway.
Small, medium, or large?
He likes it large.
Medium.
Large and in charge.
Thank you, sir.
You're welcome.
All right, so plugs are coming out.
There we go.
Stick those in the other ones. Oh yeah. And away we go. All right, got our lines in. We got to tighten that one up. Brandon's gonna tighten that up. I gotta go to the bathroom real quick. We're gonna pop this in. Back
You want a cocktail made?
No, I want to go shit.
Oh, it's not 5:30 yet?
No, I don't even want to cocktail. I don't want to drink today. I don't want to. I don't feel like.
I don't wanna.
Yeah.
I sound like a 5-year-old. I don't wanna.
No, I just don't feel like it. Anyway.
No, I'm just kidding.
All right, there it is. That one's going back to Lares with a very nice write-up. All right, so we got her up. I'm going to start working it.
Well, hold on. I can't even see in here, dude. I can't even see in there.
All right, so got the box on. We got it bled, and it's doing the same thing as the other box. And his old original box, Burns, he didn't do this. So there's something wrong with these boxes. So, yeah.